This is actress Summer Angel. I just got a call from Smooth Fusion Films, and they want me to do a big up for their movie premiere coming up. It's my new movie called Somewhere in Baltimore. I would love for you guys to view that on Facebook, but go ahead and like the page, Somewhere in Baltimore. And I would love for you guys to come to the premiere July 29th, and make sure you take your pictures with your girl Summer Angel. Somewhere in Baltimore Movie, it's a very dramatic movie, mystery movie, something that you don't really want to miss. It's an intense drama film, and it has a big meaning to it because it gives you a kick at the end and let you understand people. It's not the way they act, but who they are, you know. So please come out and support this movie, Somewhere in Baltimore. It's something that you really don't want to miss. If you're an actor or actress or in anything in entertainment in Philadelphia or around the tri-state area, please make sure you attend. I mean, this is going to be a beautiful event, guys. It's going to be dinner, movie, red carpet. The pictures will be taken. You'll relax with your girl, Summer Angel, and come and meet the cast of the entire movie. It's a marvelous film, and everyone did their best. Please come out and support independent movies from Smooth Fusion Film. They're very new, and they're looking for new faces. So don't miss this one, guys. If you're doing anything in the entertainment field, trust me, it's going to be people there that you will love to meet. And it's an easy ticket event. It's inviting you to come and network as well. So please come and watch the movie Somewhere in Baltimore, and you won't regret it. Trust me. Well, you'll meet your girl. Have no fear. Summer Angel is here. My mind.
You're on my mind. Hey, every little thing I do, you're on my mind. You're on my mind. Hey, every little thing I do, you're on my mind. You're on my mind. Every little thing I do.
I know a lot of people haven't really seen me act myself, but I'm crazy. So come out and party with me. I'm very fun. Alright? Have no fear. Summer Angel was here. Love you guys so much, especially my fans and my true believers.